Hey everyone, we have a very special edition of our latest and greatest Tara's Must Have, and it's our Bee-lieve collection. If you haven't seen our Bee-lieve collection, you are going to absolutely love it. We debuted Dinnerware, you loved it so much, you asked for our beautiful white in all of our glass glazes. The detail, the patterns, 12 individual pieces, 12 dinner plates, 4 dinner plates that are 10.5 inches, 4 of our salad and dessert plates, and then look how beautiful 4 of our soup and cereal bowls. It's all about that detailing. It's all about that pattern. I love how all of these pieces work together. And look at this. So if you don't know the story of the humble bumblebee, I even included a really pretty kind of card to remind you that at first glance, the wings of the bumblebee seem to defy the laws of nature. How do those tiny wings support those chubby little bodies? The secret lies in the bumblebee's hidden strength. Those delicate wings are actually incredibly powerful, beating at a speed that creates a miniature vortex around the body of the bee, lifting it to great heights. The humble little bumblebee reminds us to believe in our own hidden strength, to believe in the magic that surrounds us, and to believe that anything is possible. So if you're thinking about gifting, if you know someone who's getting married, what a great gift this is. A little under $7 a piece. $7 for those beautiful 10.5-inch dinner plates. Look at how gorgeous that sculptural bee with the glass glaze that actually brings the pattern to life. I love, again, that it's not just a plain round circle. I love that I actually did the fluting, the really pretty sculptural detail. And then look as I layer those pieces. The salad and dessert plate with that beautiful honeycomb right there in the center. Bees also around, all sculptural. And then that gorgeous bowl with, of course, the detailing on the edge, that gorgeous honeycomb, and then even that sweet little bee in the center. Remember, you're getting service for 4, 12 total pieces, and this is the debut of our beautiful classic white that has the glass glaze. We also have your buttercream. So again, I love maybe even mixing and matching some of these colors together. When you think about spring, you want to swap out your dinnerware. How beautiful is that? And then last but not least, we have our gorgeous taupe. So white, buttercream, and then look at that beautiful taupe. I love, again, all of the detail. You can truly see all of the pops of color in that glass glaze. But it's not just another pretty plate. So you still can go over to the oven and take something out of the oven, like our reheat a piece of pizza that we did here. Look at how great this is. So when we talk about our dinnerware, it's still our great stoneware. So would you actually take your fine china and put that right in the oven? Probably not. But here we have that beautiful slice of pizza, reheating, oven safe up to 500 degrees. It also goes in the microwave when you want to reheat something. And it also goes in the fridge when you want to keep things nice and cool. So where can you find this? Head over to temp-tations.com for less than $7 a piece. You can have beautiful hand-painted with glass glaze stoneware that you don't have to baby, that you can take in and out of the dishwasher and not have to worry about it, and truly take it from everyday to holiday. Head over to temp-tations.com and pick your color.